Hey everybody, welcome to Bronx World. I was going to make a short video here. I'm just on my way home, and I want to make a short video, just kind of let you know something I signed up for. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe and send this to all your friends so we can have 7 million subscribers by, next Wednesday. That'd be awesome. Anyway, for quite some time, I played a lot of football, baseball, softball, and stuff growing up, even into my 20s and 30s. And then I stopped after a while after I injured my knee. Actually had a full knee replacement on the left side. But my wife this year, in August, signed up for a trail run. It's 4.5 miles. And I decided I'm going to do it too. So, we'll see how that goes, but it's a 4.5 mile trail run. It's south of Sioux Falls at Good Earth State Park on August 16th. If you're interested, come and run it with me. I'm going to start training here first week of May to see if I can get back into some shape and lose some weight and have some fun doing it. My daughter and her boyfriend are going to run it with me. I'm trying to talk my son into doing it with me. Excuse me. And my wife and her friends are going to do it as well, but they'll probably run away from us. But that's okay. I'm getting out there. I'm going to try to get in shape, get back to where I was years ago. But yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. You guys could help hold me accountable, and we'll go from there. Right now, I weigh about 315 pounds. I'm 6'4". I have a fake left knee, and I'm going for it. If you don't try, you never know, right? So we'll see. I'll keep you guys with me on the way home, but yeah, I just thought I'd let you know. So yeah, think about that. If you guys get a chance, you want to try something, get out there and try it. If you fail, oh well, get up and try again, or get up and do something else. Michael Jordan, I think it was, who failed I don't know how many times, and then he finally made his he didn't make his varsity basketball team, I believe, and they went to North Carolina and walked on to North Carolina as a Tar Heel and worked his way into the starting lineup, and the rest is history. Goes down as arguably the best basketball player of all time. And don't go telling me LeBron is better, because he's not. It's a different league nowadays. You can't touch anybody. But I saw a deal the other day about it. Charles Barkley was talking about Michael Jordan and LeBron James. Now, LeBron James is a heck of a basketball player. Really good. He's done some great things in his tenure. I know he's now the leading scorer. But Michael Jordan is just a step above. And I agreed with Charles Barkley. He said, LeBron James is an amazing basketball player, but I still think of him as the third best player ever. Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, and then of course LeBron James. So I agree with that statement, and I will stick to my guns on it. So excuse me. Just a beautiful day. It's getting down to 55 degrees. I can't wait to get going on some bigger trips this summer. We've talked about as a family, I think our family vacation next year is going to be back to Myrtle Beach. But I think we're going to do it later in the year so that I can ride my bike down there again, or actually this time. So we'll see how that goes. But it is good to get out on the bike, get that wind therapy I need. Always makes me feel better, always lifts my spirits, makes me good. Because why? Therapy is expensive, but wind is free. Get out there and ride. I'm working on a t-shirt, right? I'll let you guys know when that comes out. Want to try to get a merch store kind of set up. I got some different ideas and some things to put out there. It'd be kind of cool to have. And I think it'd be cool, you know, you get your channel built up there, you get, you know, maybe 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, and you go to Sturgis and you're walking down the side, or you go to Daytona Bike Week and you're walking down one of the sidewalks or in the vendors area, and you see your t-shirt walking at you. That'd be just cool. That'd be a dream come true. Someday it might happen. I'm just going to keep working towards it, doing the things I love, and getting out here sharing this with you guys, and who knows, maybe someday. Just getting her mail. I'm seeing geese in all these fields. They're coming back north. Seen a few deer out there too. You gotta be careful this time of year. The wildlife gets out and gets moving, so especially at sunset. Well, we'll see. Get all my lights turned on because it's starting to get a little darker. Not a lot of traffic, as you can see. I got nobody coming at me and nobody coming up behind me, so that's the way I like it. If I could take trips cross country and this be the way traffic is the whole way, that would be phenomenal. Just me and a couple of buddies on their bikes and riding. So as far as my race goes on the trail ride or trail run, I'm starting my training here first week in May. I'm going to run 3 days a week, just try to get my stamina back up and get my wind back into me, and then hopefully lose some weight and gain some longevity in my runs, right? Because that first one, you know, you do that. Have you heard of the Couch to 5K program? I did that a couple times a few years back. I think you run for a minute, and then you walk for 30 seconds, run for 30 seconds, walk for 30 seconds, then you run for a minute for a while. And they kind of build up your stamina that way for running. Just try to do longer periods of time as you go through your training. So hopefully, you know, I'm doing the trail run. It's 4.5 miles. I don't have to run the whole time. I'd like to. I hope I can. But we'll see what happens. I just want to be able to go, complete it, and say I did it. So we'll see what happens. Excuse me. My wife has already run half marathons, full marathons. She's an amazing woman, has done some amazing things in her journey through things, and just does a great job. So I thought it'd be good for me to join her on this one and see if I could you know, lose a little bit of weight at the same time and go from there. Wind is definitely not bad today. Boy, yesterday was horrible. Or was it a couple days ago? There's a video on it. You'll see it. It's crazy. I don't know how much I picked up on there, but man, that wind the other day was, oh man. But summer is right around the corner. It'll be nice out all the time, and we'll get out and do a lot of riding. I got so much opportunity to ride this year, I think. I'm really looking forward to it. So we'll see how it goes, but yeah. Excuse me. Just a beautiful night for a ride. So anyway, make sure you get out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Get it out there, and let's build this channel up, get a little bit bigger. And if you need a sticker, let me know. I'll get you one out there. And I'm working on a T-shirt and some other things. And yeah, I think we got a good plan to get the channel moving forward and maybe building it up a little bit. So yeah, looking forward to that this year and having a full year of doing my YouTube channel. I started it last year and really got into it last year. And I remember starting and had like 15 subscribers, and I'm like, man, it's going to be crazy. And now up to almost 160, and just keeps rising every couple days or so. And yeah, it's absolutely amazing. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching and commenting and doing all the things that you do. And if I missed, I try to subscribe to any channel that subscribes to me. If I missed, let me know. I will definitely subscribe to your channel. It's just the way I work. So let me know. And if you subscribe to mine, I'll check and see if you've got a channel. If you do, I will subscribe. Not a problem. And watch some of them videos. Looking forward to it. This summer, when it gets nice, I'm going to have to do a night ride for you guys around the area. Show you all the red lights that hop up on the horizon from all the windmills. It's just what it is around here. But here we are, Lake Benton. See if you can see the sign. Lake Benton, population 687. Yeah, it's a big town. Another pheasant there. So this is the town where I live, Lake Benton, Minnesota, with my beautiful wife. That hill right there that you see was the one that burned. The whole thing, it was black less than a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago I think it was. And now it's green as can be, and beautiful, growing. That's just Mother Nature. She knows what she's doing. It's amazing though, it burns off the top grass and then leaves the bottom stuff on, you know, that's good and healthy. And now it's able to grow because it doesn't have all that top grass covering it, but still was scary. A lot of those houses back there was close to getting to them. But anyway, I'm back in town. I'm gonna go and park her in the old garage tonight and get her some rest. Tomorrow morning we're gonna go look at a car. So you guys have a great night, great weekend, great day, whenever you're watching this. Have a beautiful time when you're done, because you all deserve that. But just remember, therapy's expensive, wind is free, so get out there and ride. This is Alan with Bronx World, and I'm out. Have a good one, guys.